C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
They're snapping with glee. A is for bull, bouncing wild and free. C is for chair, where we like to sit. D is for dinosaur, stomping a bit. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fire truck, zooming along. G is for giraffe, so tall and proud. H is for house, cozy in the crowd. I is for ink pot, filled with ink. J is for jeep, it's faster than you think. K is for knife, we handle with care. L is for lamb, fluffy everywhere. M is for mat, where we like to lay. N is for Nicholas, brightening our day. O is for octopus with 8 little arms. P is for pen, it writes with charm. Q is for quilt, so warm and snug. R is for rat, giving a little tug. S is for snail, moving slow and steady. T is for train, the tracks are ready. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for van, driving day and night. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, music just for me. Y is for yogurt, yummy and cool. Z is for zebra,